everyone, warm welcome back. Yaje here, and I'm so excited because I'm heading to the allotment to find out if my corn is ready for harvesting. So we're going to see if the corn is ready for harvesting, and then I'll share with you some tips on how to know if your corn is ready to pick. Guys, over there is my little allotment. This is in someone's property. They just gave me this piece of land to cultivate my corn, and it has been about 3 months. So this corn was planted at the end of April, around April the 22nd, and today is July the 18th, I believe. And so it's been about 90 days. I'm thinking it's ready for harvesting, but let's go find out. Okay, so guys, let's quickly talk about some of the things to keep in mind when you're trying to determine if your corn is ready for harvesting. The first thing is just to know the time to harvest, like from when the seeds germinate to when you harvest. Figure out what that time is for corn. I believe for corn it's about 90 days, and it has been about 90 days since I planted the corn. So that's one reason why I think that this corn might be ready to harvest. The second thing is to look at the corn itself. Okay, let's take a look at this one right here. Let's take a look at this corn. You look at the silk. This is the corn silk. If it is dry like this all the way to the end like this, you see how brown it is? It means that the corn is usually ready for harvesting. Let me show you another corn silk. Let's look at this one right here. See this one? See how it's still very fresh? This one is definitely not ready for picking yet. That one over there is not ready for picking. This one is not ready for picking. Look at this one. This one is beginning to turn brown, but it's not quite dry yet. It might be ready, I don't know. But generally, when the corn silk is this brown, the corn is done or ready for picking. Then one last thing that you can do is to take a look, open it up like so, and look inside. Look at the corn kernel. I hope there's some kernels in this one. Let me open and show you. Guys, look, there are barely any kernels in this one, and I am kind of disappointed because I was expecting that the corn here, because I have so many of them in the field, I was expecting that the pollination would be properly done for me to have kernels in here. When you see this, it means that the pollination really didn't occur well. So that's why you get corn that is sparsely populated like this. Oh well. But the corn is ready, it's just that we don't have kernels in there. Let's check out this other one. And this is how we harvest the corn, just like this. Let's check out this other one and see if there's anything in there. No luck with the second one, guys. Oh, so disappointing. So disappointing. Okay, I don't know if I should keep trying. Let's look for another one and try again. Right, let's check out this one together, guys. Let's check out this one. This is going to be the one. Is this? Okay. This one, the kernels in this one, they look better, but it's not yet ready. It's not yet ready. So I'm going to give it another week or so and then come back and check again. Let's just go and harvest some peppers and go home, guys. All right, guys, it's a wrap from the allotment today. I'm going home with this one corn and some peppers. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. I'll keep sharing updates from the allotment. Until next time, grow a garden. Bye bye.